Do you need to know how to replace one of your wing mirrors on your 2006 to 2012 Toyota Corolla? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2008 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace one of the wing mirrors, which may be super useful if you've just had a little bit of a bump and damaged yours, or someone has knocked into it. So I'll just go ahead and show you one of the wing mirrors. So I'll probably start with the driver's side, and it is the same process for both sides and it's relatively easy. The only tool you're going to need is a small 10mm socket or spanner. So I'll just set the camera up and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so the camera's now set up and I'm actually going to do this from standing on the interior side of the car. I've opened up the window just so I can support the wing mirror for when I actually take it off. So the first thing we're going to do is just pull off the tweeter, which is nice and simple. There's just two clips, one there and one there, and we're going to go ahead and get that electrical connection off. Now most of you would probably be able to do that with your fingers, but I'm a bit clumsy with mine, so I'm going to use a screwdriver, but you could use a key or anything else like that just to push in that switch there. And then that is what the tweeter looks like. So it's just the electrical connection that goes on the bottom there. Nice and simple to do. Now I'm just going to have a look with the camera. So just to take a closer look, you can actually now see our three 10mm bolts, and also you've got the electrical connection that is going down into the door. So with this, we don't need to take off the whole door card. We can just give it a bit of a pull and pull it away, just enough so you can get your hands down there and actually get to that electrical connection there, which I'm going to try and do one-handed. There you go, nice and easy. Was able to do that one-handed. So that just comes off. Again, you just push in that little clip there. So with that now off, we're ready to undo each of the 10mm bolts. So what I'm going to do is actually undo the bottom two fully and then just slightly loosen the top one. We're going to leave the top one to last so that it can actually support the weight of the wing mirror. I'm just going to move the camera back so you can actually see me fully remove the wing mirror. So like I say, just doing this slowly whilst also holding it on the outside with the other hand. Now all we're going to do is just pull it away from the car and that comes off nice and simple. So there we go, that is the wing mirror off. Now if you need to split this even further, you can go ahead and undo the three Torx bits there, and it actually removes the wing mirror from the bracket once you pull the wiring through. Now the other thing that I'd like to show you as well is obviously if you're going to get one of these from a breaker, it may not be in the right colour. It is just as simple as getting your fingers in this side of it and you can actually just pull that cover straight off. So you can go and get that painted to match the car, or you can get some replacement ones. I've also seen these on eBay and AliExpress in different colours and carbon look and stuff, so you can get replacements. And then once you've got your new wing mirror and you've got your colour right, just going to start by pushing that in first, and there we go, I've got it that time. Just making sure it's sealed all the way around like that, and then we can go ahead and start to put it back on the car. So again, I'd like to do it just in the same process, just lining it up from the outside, keeping a hand on there for support, lining up everything on the inside, and then of course starting to get the bolts in, and I would always urge you to get the top one in first. There you go, no need to do them up too tight, and then of course we're just going to put that electrical connection back in, making sure it clicks all the way in. There we go, and then keeping the tweeter cable out, we can just go ahead and pop the door card back on, making sure it's gone in all the way around like that has. Then we're just going to go ahead with the tweeter cover, click that back in, and then of course making sure that all works, we're just going to test it. There we go, all the electrics are working. So there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the wing mirror from a Toyota Corolla between the years 2006 and 2012. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.